The Wright State University Department of Public Safety is always looking for creative ways to enhance campus safety, public safety, and always looking for new and innovative tools that will help us do our jobs better. We went ahead and purchased a drone. It has night vision, it has thermal, it has a microphone on it so that we can actually communicate.
This is the Wright State Police. Stop.
An officer on foot can only see so much, but when you can put a tool in the air that can really give you live view of what's taking place, if there's a medical emergency, if there is a deterrent of crime that needs to be taking place, those tools are super important.
I'm Officer Parise here at Wright State PD. I've gone about adding drone operator to my title. That's what it officially is labeled as with the department.
Gianni was selected because he has a bachelor's in aviation. He currently had prior experience with, of course, drones and similar devices. He got his brand new certification. We're going to begin partnering him with Greene County Sheriff's Office, Fairborn Police Department, who also have drone teams.
Universities in Ohio are kind of rare when it comes to drones. I know of a couple bigger universities down south that have a lot of drone operators. This drone is going to be a Mavic 3T. On top there we have a megaphone and then two little searchlights on either side of the megaphone there. Everything on here, the camera, spotlight, megaphone, all operated from the controller. Something that I would like to end up doing later down the line is making sure we have a drone operator on each shift.
We're always thinking of ways to think ahead and also keep our campus community safe.